You are welcome again to our YouTube channel.
Yes.
Today we are going to continue from where we stopped on the basic universal formulas and calculations in soil. Before we continue, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel, comment, like and share our videos. Today's topic, like I said in our previous video, that we are going to be looking at how to get our armhole. It's in our previous video. If you have not watched it, please go and watch it. This is our armhole depth, and if you are to get our armhole depth on this basic formula, you divide boss by 6 plus 1.5. That is the formula of getting your armhole depth. Boss divided by 6 plus 1.5. So 36 divided by 6 is equals to 6. 6 plus 1.5 is equals to 7.5. That is our armhole depth for this size. Then again, you can equally get it in another way. Both the circumference divided by 4 minus 1.5. You minus here. This one is plus, this one is minus. Both the circumference divided by 4 minus 1.5. Then this is the example. I use my boss. For example, 43 divided by 4, that is my boss, is equals to 10.75. The 10.75 minus 1.5. My armhole depth here is 9.25. The third way of getting armhole depth is your shoulder measurement divided by 2 plus 0.5. You can see it boldly here. Shoulder measurement divided by 2 plus 0.5. For example, if your shoulder is 16, you divide your shoulder by 2. It will give you 8. Your 8 plus 0.5 is equals to 8.5. That is the armhole depth for this shoulder of 16. So, I think for the now, we are done with some of the basic formulas and calculation in sewing. And the reason for doing this is for us to get ourselves prepared, get ourselves ready for the practical work, which we are going to start from the known to the unknown. That is, from simple style to complicated styles that are not too easy for you. But if you have any question, you can ask in our comment section. And also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, share, like and comment. Support us. As you support us, God also will support you.